Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot of specific part of your screen in Windows 11. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my laptop with Windows 11, and to take screenshot, we're going to use an app called Snipping Tool. You can go to the search menu and search for Snipping Tool app. This one. Usually this application has been automatically installed on your Windows. Okay, but if this application has not been installed, you can go to the Microsoft Store and you're going to install it. Okay, let me show you how you can take screenshot of a specific part. You can choose this camera icon first, and then you're going to select new, and you can select the screenshot area. For example, I'm going to choose this area. Okay, and this is the result. And these screenshots are automatically saved to your screenshot folder. You can open it. And before we save it, actually, we can edit the screenshot. We can highlight the screenshot or draw on the screenshot, and we can save it again. Just click on this save icon to save your screenshot. Okay guys, and that's all the way to take screenshot of a specific part in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.